In this training video, I am going to give you access to a network which you perhaps have never heard of, and you can promote products. Those type of products that once upon a time ClickBank used to actually launch these type of products and people used to crush it in affiliate commissions. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to choose the product, how you can find the best product, and how you can promote these products using this network and earn commissions. Also, at the end of this video, I'm going to give you an opportunity where you can actually make a lot of money, okay, with something which is completely done for you and very, very powerful. 100% beginners friendly, so stay tuned right to the end of this video. So let's dive into this video and let me show you step by step how to promote someone else's product and earn affiliate commissions online. If you watch my previous videos, you have seen that I have covered several networks. I have covered ClickBank, I have covered Warrior Plus. Now I am covering another network which I believe has very good products which you can promote and start making money. The good part about this network is that the product is very pitchy product, which means the conversion rates are very, very high. These are the type of products I used to see 10 years ago on ClickBank, okay? Now, ClickBank doesn't allow these type of products anymore for some reason because of the sales pitch. But these products converts very, very good because it just doesn't explain what the product is all about, but it actually goes deep dive inside, showing you a picture of what you can expect after getting access to this product, after going through the product and implementing everything, and then starting to make money. So let me show you what this network is all about. The network is called Explodely, okay? It's a network where you can, as an affiliate, promote other people's products, and you can also launch your own product on this network, okay? So first of all, what you want to do is you want to go to this website called Explodely and create your free account, okay? And you want to sign up as an affiliate. Once you have signed up as an affiliate, you need to verify your account by going to your email address, clicking the verification link. And once you have verified everything, then you want to log into your account and you're going to see a dashboard just like this that you're seeing on the screen, okay? So if I just come here and then I'm going to see these sections, I'm just going to go to the marketplace. So when I click on the marketplace, let's just wait for it to load. So you can see here displaying results 110 out of 647, okay? So you can see here, these are the products. It's telling me what to expect. So the product price is $17. The commission is 75%. Refund rate is 5.73, which is very less. I could go to the sales page, check the sales page as normal. Or okay, so let me see, look at this.
Welcome and congratulations on becoming a new member of Instant Cash Algorithm. If you're watching this video, it means you can now withdraw up to $2,341.79 instantly. So, congratulations on being selected.
Okay, so it's a video that was just played and you can see it's a completely different style of a sales page compared to all the other products out there, okay? If you want to scroll down, you want to find some more products. Here's another product, okay? If I want to scroll down, let's see, $22. Let's just check the sales page for this one, okay? AI Robot earns you money. If I just play this.
Hello, human. My name is ANX305. I am your personal money-making artificial intelligence unit. I was configured to generate up to $826 for you, as you will see in just a few seconds. You probably heard my voice before, and this is normal. So from now on, you can call me...
So you see, the product sales page is completely different compared to normal products, okay? Now, I would not promote any product until I purchase the product and go through the members area, making sure that it's real, it's legitimate, it's something that's going to work, and something that's going to help the other person who's going to buy the product. Okay, I'm not here to just make a quick buck. I'm here to make a buck, but at the same time help someone else as well that will solve his problem. So if he's buying a product like this product, the main problem he's having is making money online. So definitely he wants to overcome that. So I'm not just going to promote a product so I could make my quick cash. I'm going to promote something where it's a win-win. I can make money, and the person who purchases the product, when he goes through the training and puts it into action, he starts to make money as well. And to do that, I will do my intelligence research about the product, and most likely the best way to find out if a product is legit or not is just purchase the product and go through the members area. Okay, so this is how you choose a product. So what you need to do, step 1, you need to go to Explodely, sign up as an affiliate. Step 2, come to these 3 bars and click on the marketplace. Okay, and then you have different kind of categories. You could choose green products, you could choose health and fitness products, you could choose home and garden, you could choose self-help, you could choose software products as well. Okay, so these are different type of products that you can choose and you can promote. Okay, now there's one product down here that I want to show you. Okay, so if you come to this search bar here and you type in this keyword, okay, this is the keyword. It's called Insta Profit System. You're going to find this product here. Okay, you can see here. Okay, the product price is $27 and the commission is 50%. This is my product, by the way. If you want to promote this product, feel free to do so. You can go ahead, promote this product. Okay, it's a very, very legitimate, up-to-date, latest product. Okay, my own product, and I am paying 50% commission on this product. Okay, you can check the sales page out if you want to. Let me just show you the sales page. Here's the sales page. Okay, it's a very, very good sales page here. Okay, so if you're interested in promoting this product, go ahead, promote this product. Okay, it's very simple. You just need to come to Explodely. Okay, sign up as an affiliate. Okay, go to the marketplace, and then in this search bar just type in Insta Profit System, and then you're going to see this one here. As you can see, it says here, Insta Profit System, proven Instagram cash machine. Okay, and then if you decided to promote this product, you just click on the promote button. Okay, and then you click on this. You're going to have your username here, and then you want to click on affiliate, create affiliate link, and there you go. It's going to give you this long link here. You just want to copy this link and start driving traffic to this link. Now if you're going to use social media, then make sure you use tiny URL or something that will shorten the URL, make it beautiful, and then post this link across the web. Every time someone clicks the link, purchases this product through your affiliate link, you're going to get paid 50% commission. Okay, it's got a very high conversion rate on this product. So if you want to promote my product, you can do that. How to find my product? Once again, you just want to go to Explodely, go to the marketplace, click on in this search bar, you want to type in Insta Profit System, and once you do that, you're going to find this product here. Just click on promote and start driving traffic to your affiliate link, which you get, and there you go. You will able to start making some good amount of money. And here's another one as well. When you become an affiliate to promote my product, and if you generate your first sale, feel free to send me an email. Okay, and as a bonus, I'll give you access to this product for free as well. Okay, instead of you could buy the product if you want to. Okay, it's only $27. It's worth it because what you get inside is insane amount of value, unbelievable. But if you don't want to buy it, here's another way to get it: is just promote the product, generate your first sale as an affiliate, promoting this product, and I will give you free access to this product upon request. Okay, so that's all. This is how a brand new network called Explodely, you can promote their products, start earning commissions. If for some reason if you're not accepted into ClickBank or Digistore 24, here's another way for you to start promoting affiliate products online and start making some commissions.